Ichigo ice cream. Say strawberry ice cream. Yeah, well, we're gonna make strawberry and blueberry ice cream. We call it ice cream, but it's actually frozen yogurt. Okay, are you ready? Yeah, your apron's cute. Look, it says Ailey. Oh, it's a cupcake. Cupcake apron. Okay, so we're gonna use a Vitamix. Kids can help too.
Okay.
Okay, can you peel it for me? Yay, good job. We're gonna put the banana in. Thank you. Okay, good job. Now we have to put yogurt in. And I make my own yogurt. That's why it's in this milk carton, but this is yogurt. We put yogurt in. So how much is it? So like 1 cup of yogurt. Yeah, let's put the blueberries in. Oh. Let's put the blueberries in. But that's really cold. You want to count? 1. Good job. Okay, we put 5 strawberries in. Okay, you can dump it in. Here, hold the bowl. You can dump it in. Good job. Okay, and then we're gonna put some honey in. You have to wait until this comes out. Hey, what are you making? See, I'm making blueberry ice cream.
Blueberry ice cream.
Yeah, blueberry ice cream. Oh, there's the honey. I think that was like about 1 teaspoon. Are you eating the blueberry? Okay, and then we have to put this, you have to just mix it together. It looks like this. So that's just yogurt and 5 strawberries and like a bowl of blueberries. Okay? Are you liking that? At least I think it. Oh, and 1 banana, and 1 banana. Okay, so here's your ice cream, Eileen. Ichigo入れたよ. I put the strawberries in here too. So this is strawberry and blueberry ice cream. Look at that color. That's just so pretty. Yeah, see, look at that purple color. And then we just have to freeze this. Yeah, let's wash your hands for about an hour. And then we have frozen yogurt. Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.